Hi guys, in this section we see the time and work short tips how to solve. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है कि ये बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट है पर बहुत इजी है। तो यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे n दिया गया है, यहाँ पे 1/n। इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? इन्वर्ट। मीन्स n इज़ इन्वर्ट ऑफ 1/n, 1/n इज़ इन्वर्ट ऑफ n। ऐसे ही वर्क टाइम और वर्क में होता है। लाइक there is a total work is 30 days, then in one day 1/30 amount of work, means total work is 30 and in one day we can write 1/30. There is invert of 30, 1/30 like this. और वर्क और डेज में ऐसा ही होता है। मीन्स डेज का इन्वर्ट होता है वर्क, वर्क का इन्वर्ट होता है डेज। सो नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे, इफ़ यू वर्क मोर टाइम नीडेड विथ टाइम लेस, मीन्स देयर इज अ मोर वर्क वी रिक्वायर टाइम लेस और days also less. If the total number of men are increased for the work is increased but time required is less. Got it guys? If number of men are increased, work is also increased but time we require time is less. We completing the work in less time. So let's see the question. Question is, A can work 5 times faster than B and take 60 days less than B to complete the work. In how many days does A and B individually can complete the work? So let's solve this question. So we consider B as n, A as n minus 60 days. Means B require n days but A require n minus 60, means 60 days less required from B. Also a question in B, in how many days A and B individual work. A can work 5 times faster than B, means A is 5 times faster B. A is 5 times faster B, means A requires 5 times more time than 5 times faster than A, and B requires 5 times more time than A. So if A require 1 minute, B require 5 into 1 minute, means 5 minutes. So how to solve this question? If B requires n by 5 times days, A requires n minus 16. So n is equal to 5n minus 60, means n is equal to 75 days. So we find n. So n by 60 is what? N by 60 means 75 minus 60 is equal to 15 days. Means A require 15 days for work and B require 75 days. So A is 5 times faster than B, we can prove it. So individual work is A 15 days, B 75 days. ऐसे ही क्वेश्चंस के लिए मेरे चैनल को फॉलो कीजिए। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।